What's it?
Just rolled off your tongue.
And the song.
What's his name, Rob?
Heart of my heart, I love you. Life would be naught without you. Light of my life, my darling, I love you. I love you.
Thank you, Brandon, for
You-
recording it. Thank you.
You look so gay right now.
I can forget you never. From you I never can sever. Say you'll be mine forever. I love you only.
Is there anything you would like to say to your Valentine?
Oh, not at all.